Another episode, another day. Today I'm gonna cook some great food. I'm gonna cook a version of the Swedish classic Pytt Panna, but yeah, with a twist. And I have two great beers and a nice cigar, and yeah, it's gonna be great. So let's start, I think, with the fire. Start with the fire. Start with the food. Yeah, let's get started. Oh, someone even left a little bit of firewood, but it's all wet, but still nice. There's still some ice on the lake. Let's have a beer while we wait for the fire. It's a porter. It's this one is a nice can. It says Bibliotek X Arbor, the manner of things, a robust porter, 4.2%. So I think it's very not so sweet, more dry. Oh, let's try it. Yep. Yeah, it's a pretty light porter. Yeah, nice. I think we can start prepping the food. I'm gonna start cutting the potato in small pieces. And the onion, I take about 3 small potatoes and 1 onion. Cutting onion and having smoke in your eyes at the same time, it's not easy. Okay, let's take 1 apple. Let's boil the potatoes for a little bit. So let's start frying the potatoes. Some salt and pepper. Looking good, looking good. When I finish frying the potato, I'm gonna put it aside and I'm gonna fry the apple and onion. Then I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna fry the, it's a Swedish sausage called isterband, which is a coarsely grinded, pretty light smoked sausage. It's delicious. So that's what I'm gonna have in. So potatoes finished. Let's put it aside and fry apple and onion. We're gonna take the inside of the sausage, so cut it open and remove the skin. Like that, and just cut it in small pieces. Apple and onion is ready, so let's put it aside and finally fry the sausage. You can mix it with the potato. Ready to be devoured. Looks amazingly good. So let's try it. I'm really excited. Mm. 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 This is delicious. The saltiness from the sausage and the sweetness of the apple, it goes really well. Life don't have to be more complicated than this. Go out in nature, cook some food, enjoy. Simple. I'm definitely gonna do this more times. Oh, that food was good. It was really good. I can recommend everyone to do it. It's so simple. It's only potato, onion, apple, and that sausage isterband. So really simple and fast and good. The optimal would be egg on the top, like the traditional Pytt Panna. But yeah, try it and let me know what you think if you do it. It was my mother got this recipe from my grandmother, so that's where I got it from. Yeah, let's make some coffee. I have a new like a filter thingy, so let's try it. Is this one from Restrap, who make great bicycle bags. I got this for Christmas from my mother, and yeah, it's plastic. You just put it together, you put the filter inside. Yeah, seems to be working. Yeah. And it's very easy to take apart. like that. The cigar I chose is the Rocky Patel, my favorite brand, Rocky Patel Vintage 2003 Cameroon. So it's a bit lighter than I usually smoke. It's a vintage robusto. Let's try it. Great. Very tasty. It's a good cigar. It's I don't know. I think I had some higher expectations on because it's a Rocky Patel, but those lighter cigars, I think they pretty much taste the same, and maybe people think the same about Maduros and the darker ones, but I just enjoy that more. This tastes a lot of like hay, like a barn. It's still good, it's very good, but yeah, I prefer the more chocolatey coffee taste. I'm gonna show you guys the beer. This is the one. One of my favorite stouts. It's an imperial stout. It's Omnipollo pecan mud. So it's a lot of vanilla and pecan nuts and toffee. So this is a great stout. It's 11%. So I try to keep it a little bit warm, like I always do. Keep it in my pocket. So yeah, let's smoke the cigar and drink the coffee and sharpen my axe to a nice beer. This is amazing. So much toffee, so much vanilla. It's a great beer. I think the most important thing when you're sharpening an axe is the angle. You want that the black line between, you want it to disappear, like this is too much, so you want to keep it like this. Yeah, it feels sharp. I don't want it to be too sharp. It doesn't have to, because you're using a force, so it doesn't have to be sharp as a knife. I prefer if it's not razor sharp, but still fairly sharp. I think this is perfect. Let's try it. So guys, that's it for today. I'm not doing a overnighter because I have to be up early tomorrow and do some business, but it's better to just go out like this for the day and cook some great food and smoke a cigar, drink some beers, than not go out at all. So I'd rather go out just for the day rather than not going out at all. So thank you guys for watching, and next time will be an overnighter for sure. And yeah, hope you guys have a good start on the new year. And yeah, take care.